Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. In this video, we're continuing our 2D ragdoll setup in Unity by adding a ground, testing our setup, fixing unconnected parts, and creating a script to toggle ragdoll mode during gameplay. First, let's create a ground so our ragdoll can fall onto something. Add a box collider 2D. Now press play and see what happens. You'll notice some parts are not connected properly. Let's fix that next. Select the disconnected parts and make sure they have Hinge Joint 2D components attached. Set the connected body to the correct body part. Once all parts are connected properly, hit play again and the character should fall naturally. Now let's control when the ragdoll is active. Create a new script and name it RagdollController. Let's open the script and add logic to disable ragdoll on start, and enable it when we press the C key. Now hit play. The character stands still. Press C and watch your ragdoll collapse realistically into the ground. We also can activate ragdoll automatically when the character dies or collides with enemies. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.